Yeah, today we're going to talk a little bit about data observability. I want to spend a few minutes on what is it and why is it important? Why should I care about it? And then we're going to kind of get into, how did Redpoint approach data observability specifically within the Redpoint CDP product? And then we're going to have a couple takeaways that we want to leave you with. So what is data observability? So if you kind of look at what CDP Institute, Gartner, and Forrester, but if you take a look at it, it's all about continuous monitoring. It's all about the trustworthiness, the usability, the compliance up into a layer in which your users can observe that information and use that information to determine how they're going to proceed with their downstream activities. Okay, well, why do I care about it? It'd be long gone, right? Transparency is something very important to business users, right? They want to be able to get into it and make decisions based on the information that's presented to them, right? Improving trust in data, right? Do I have data that is, it is timely, it is correct, it is complete, right? That kind of information allows users to make decisions around how they're going to proceed with their day-to-day business activities, right? Okay, so what if there are data issues, right? This happens, right? Things don't show up. There's issues with upstream, downstream processes. That's often unavoidable, right? And it's just part of sort of the day-to-day running of a business. But if we see that there are data issues, we can make decisions. We can change how we react of that information at sort of our fingertips. And of course, proactive data management. Right? Being able to look at the sort of trends, look at the information that's being presented to us, and be proactive about the end of the day. You really came here to listen to Beth, so I want to take time and turn it over to Beth. She's going to talk about how, from a Redpoint perspective, we think about data observability, and we.
Absolutely. So be sure to reach out if you haven't already, to get a demo. We're happy to dig deeper into any of the things that you saw today, but a few key takeaways, right? So when just thinking about data observability, right? Health and performance, right? Really, this is just trying to piece those data pipelines into your CDP, the processes that happen therein, and then that quality of that data that is living there, right? So this is just, again, looking to the additional bullet points, right? Yes, reliability, right? So once you have that access to seeing the health and performance of this data, now you can also start to lean into, I can rely on this data, right? Because I can see the source of where it's coming from. I can understand exactly its trajectory through the various pipelines and processes that we're putting it through. I now can trust this to then make decisions on campaigns or other downstream activities that are going to make use of this data. And of course, this is just about monitoring, right? Observability, it's right in the word, right? This is not replacing your data quality processes. This is not replacing other sort of broader data operations, right? This isn't going to do to monitor your overarching tech stack. This is very specific to data in and
whistle and maybe get them excited and want to see a little bit more about the platform.